Welcome back to this new video on ChatGPT AIPRM. Now, I've been running this channel from many years on YouTube, and I work for other YouTube channels as well. The main pinpoint is after you record a video, first you need a script on the video, then you have to record the video. After recording, the work doesn't end. It goes to editing team. After the editing team gives you the video, then you have to upload the video on YouTube, where you need a proper exact title, a good cheesy title, a good attractive, informative title, so people can click on that. You need a good thumbnail so that when you watch the thumbnail, then the people can click on that. So we have a CTR, then we have CPM and RPM, many things comes into the YouTubers. They know it very well. So when it comes to uploading on YouTube, if you want to rank your YouTube video on the top, you need to have very good SEO on YouTube. Number one is a very good title. Number two, you write a very good description. You need tags and SEO so that you can put into your YouTube channel and it can rank on the top. So when it is ranking on the top, people obviously will click on that. But how you can do it? You can do it without ChatGPT. You're doing it from many years. I was doing it from many years. But after this AIPRM add-in, my work has reduced to just 10%. I don't have to use my brains a lot. I just need to validate and correct and put my experience into that. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a title, how to write a description, and how to generate the tags, which can save a lot of time. You can keep on asking multiple times and it can give you the best ranking tags available in ChatGPT. Let's try to understand. So here in this screen, if you see, I have searched for YouTube and here comes the YouTube SEO title description with tags generator. Now I don't have to explain ChatGPT. Number one, if you see normal ChatGPT, I have to write, behave like a YouTuber, create a YouTube title for this particular video, create SEO and description of 100 words. These are some things which you have to write in 3.5, older version right now. But we're using this add-in, the bigger prompt which I usually write, I have to reduce it in just one line. Okay, I just need to give the title of that particular video or the video name. That's it. So it says, give me a YouTube title and I will generate a SEO title description with the tag generator. Okay. So now I have recently published a video on Tableau versus Power BI. So Tableau versus Power BI. And I'll press enter. Now what it will do is, that's it. My job is only to write the name of the video. That's it. And if you see, it is giving me some great details about that video. So it says unleashing the power of data visualization, Tableau versus Power BI showdown. Okay. So mastering data analytics, a deep dive into Tableau versus Power BI. So it is giving me some options which I can choose from there. Number one. Next is, if you see the best title, the ultimate guide to choosing between Tableau and Power BI. Okay. It is giving me a very interesting title also. The description is given on this place. Now the description is very small. I can write more in detail about the description and I'll get the understanding. So if you're a single person handling your YouTube channel, you don't have any person right now with you. So instead of spending money on some expert, you can use this one. If you already have a person, empower and train them to watch this video, do the practical. Now watching video will not fetch you the knowledge. You have to actually do the practical, see what are the mistakes people are doing or the ChatGPT is doing and try to make it much better. So you are reducing the time of that person and you can make more videos, reach to more and more people, right? Then these are the hashtags which can be used in that particular video. Okay. And these are the optimized SEO optimized tags. Now, people are searching for Tableau versus Power BI. Why they are searching? Because they belong to the data visualization tool. They are the data analytics softwares. There's a Tableau benefits, Power BI advantages, and so on. So all this is going to help you in the longer run. Okay. We are surviving without this add-in. We will survive without this add-in. We are creating videos without this tool as well. But imagine and consider the amount of time you're investing on that. Use this and you're going to save a lot of time. Now, one thing you have to remember, do not rely 100% on this tool. Your brain should work. You should only utilize and dependent on this particular tool 80%. Remaining 20% you have to validate, modify, get it corrected so that you can put your experience and get the video in a proper manner. So I'll come back to this new chat. Now this is one example. The second one, if you see, I have the YouTube SEO complete package, title plus description plus tag plus social media promotion. So here I can just click on this option and I can just write a keyword, let's say as Microsoft Excel. Enter. So this is going to give you more details about it. So 3 catchy YouTube titles. I can think of only 1 or 2, but it has given me 3. YouTube tags maximum 500 characters, sample SEO media post, social media post. So obviously when you put a YouTube video, you need to promote on different platforms, right? So this platform will give you extra posts so that you can go and put onto different social media platforms, right? This is very, very interesting. Very few people know about AIPRM and you are one of them. So try to use it, maximize your earnings, learnings, and optimize your time as well. Great. So everyone, I hope you have understood how to get the title, descriptions, and tags for a YouTube video. And that's all for this video.